Hey, Sam Barry here with Class Winners Collector Vehicles, and again, we're back in the workshop with the 68 American Motors Javelin. This is the one that's going to be the surprise 70th birthday gift. Wait, hey, don't forget, subscribe. Click that little icon down there, the blue one. That allows you to know when we're doing more workshop videos, when we're taking these cars out and doing complete, like 10, 15-minute detailed road tests, seat of the pants videos, tell you exactly what it feels like behind the wheel of these really awesome and crazy and unique and rare collector vehicles. So click that down there, that one, yeah. So since really one of our first tasks is to get the seats out so that we can clean them and dye them, we gotta get these bolts out. There are only two holding these seats in, so just the front one. So let's get this out. 9/16 deep socket on there. Didn't need to go too deep for that one. Okay, all right, let's get the seat out of here. All right, this thing's not small. And it doesn't want to tilt forward, and I'm not sure why. So let's figure out. All right, how are we gonna do this and not scratch paint? Okay. Oh boy. This is about as light as the average Golden Corral customer at 2:45 in the afternoon. Whew. So the Javelin fans among you might recognize that these aren't actual AMC seats. If you think you know where these seats are from, I do. Put it down in the comments. I'm impressed to see if anybody actually knows what these are. But they do kind of fit in there, and they look pretty cool. AMC, Javelin, and AMX seats, they're pretty much made of unobtainium. You have a better chance of finding the Holy Grail than a nice set of seats. So to keep the cost low, the previous owner sourced these. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean them up, and just like Mick Jagger said, paint it black to match those. So let's get on to cleaning, because these are kind of scasty. These are as dirty as a Sunset Strip hairband fan from 1982. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is just spray this down with soapy water. It may say Simple Green on here, but this is actually just Dawn dishwashing detergent and some other cleaner mixed in with it, and we're just gonna spray, not stream. There we go, spray. Let's soak this down. Ew, this one's really dirty. I feel like I'm spraying spiders. All right. Let's just let this sit for a little bit and work in, and then we'll do what I used to do to my parents and my older brother. Agitate. You can already see the gunk just getting pulled out. of these crevices. Yeah. Don't forget to wash behind your ears. Oh yeah. Okay, let's, well, we got this going. Now that this is heated up, I'm just gonna quickly do this side, and then we're gonna steam clean this out. These things are great. You can get them on Amazon. Oh, wow. That's pretty impressive. And you can see it pretty quickly. There's tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of nasty crap back here. All right, now I've taken the time to break apart the bottom and top half of each seat. And there's a reason for that, and that's so we can get color everywhere we need to have color. And it's also important because it allows us to get that last bit of dirt. And as you can see, the trim that comes off with just a few Phillips head screws, it's pretty scasty. And so let's clean this last little bit up, because even though we don't need to paint the inside here, it's worth getting clean as long as we're going through the trouble. So steamer on. This is just takes any residual wax or anything that got grease or anything that got on the surface. Just takes that last little bit off. As you can see, there's always something on there, no matter how much you wash and you wipe. All right, it's adhesion promoter time. So we've already been shaking this for staying near the prescribed minute. So we'll just give it a little more shaking here. And the most important thing is to read the directions, because if you don't, you'll have bad, sometimes worse results than had you not used the adhesion promoter or something like that in the first place. So you're supposed to use 2 to 3 light coats with 3 minutes in between. So let's use that prescribed amount, and I'll show you how you do it in the first one, because it'll tell you, shake it vigorously, hold it 8 to 10 inches, light coats. Well, now the interior, it's back in. And look what difference it makes to have the car in all black. It looks great. The Maverick seats turned out as perfectly as we could hope. And now we got seat belts in there. I think it looks great. So from all of us at Class Winners Collector Vehicles, just remember, life's too short for an ordinary car with the wrong color interior.